Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn what is data gateway and how to install on your computer. So let's take a look what exactly is the definition about the data gateway. Microsoft on-premises data gateway is a bridge that allows a secure data transfer between your on-premises data sources such as SQL Server, SharePoint, SAP, Oracle, etc. and your Microsoft cloud services including Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, Azure Logic Apps, and Microsoft Fabric for some of the data sources. So the gateway runs as a Windows service and securely tunnel data between your local network and cloud service without moving your data permanently to the cloud. So in this case, there are two types of the gateways. We have standard mode that is share across multiple users and services such as Power BI, Power Apps, and etc. Personal mode only for Power BI and tied to the specific user, best for individual use. So now what we are going to do here, we are going to install this data gateway for our Fabric demos. Our goal is to read some files which are sitting on my computer, and also I would like to read the data from a SQL Server. So we will be performing those demos as well. So let's go right here on the button on very right top and click right there, and we have data gateway. Click on there, and then it's going to open this link for us. So now you have two versions available. You have download standard mode or you download personal mode. I'm going to go ahead and download standard mode, and once I click there, it's going to start downloading. Now I already have downloaded this one, so you can see right here. If I will open my folder, you will be able to see right there. So this is the one I already downloaded. So what we can do, we can wait for it, or just click right there and start installing. And here we are welcomed with the wizard, and what we are going to do, we are going to accept the terms and then hit install, and then it's asking me, yes, I would like to install. And on the other screen it asks me, hey, you would like to install? Yes. And then it start installing that. So now it's going to take up some time to install. Let's wait for it. It is asking me another yes, so I'm going to go ahead and yes. So our installation is completed. Now we have to provide some email address to use with this gateway. If you remember, if you're coming with from Azure Data Factory background, there was a self-hosted IR that we used to get the data from our on-premises. But here we are using a data gateway. So let me go ahead and provide this email, and okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Okay, so we register a new gateway on this computer, hit the next, and then new on-premises gateway name. We can give a name, so I'm gonna call this one TechBrothers gateway, and then we will be providing a recovery key. If let's provide recovery key in case of you need to restore, so you can use this recovery key, and then we will configure, and then we will keep going to the next steps. Okay, we are all good here. We can see that the gateway TechBrother is online and ready to be used, and the gateway version is here, and it says that the Logic Apps, Azure Analysis Services, East US, create a gateway. We are not worried about those, and we have a Power Apps and Power Automate, yes, East US, and we have a Microsoft Fabric, a default environment ready, and then we can go to the service settings and see right here, see all the detail of which is the account that's running the service. So now there are other tabs such as network. You can go to connectors and recovery keys. So all those different options you can take a look. Now we all good here. We don't have to do anything here, and now we are going to go back to our Fabric, and we should be able to take a look and start using this gateway. One thing I can go ahead actually, and what I will do, let's call it a day here, and we are going to go with next video where I will use this gateway to read the files from the local folder and load into the Lakehouse, because I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.